Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day in my life vlog. So talking about today's plan, I got some package from Amazon. मैंने order किया था, so वो अभी आ गया तो उसको हम unbox करेंगे. And also guys, we need to set up a background for videos, so we'll do that also. And I need to shoot a video. I just need to shoot like one video and plus this vlog. So this is it. And in the evening we have some plans, so I'll let you know about that plan बाद में. Let's begin with the day. And also guys, I need to do laundry. मैं बहुत दिन से उसको ignore कर रही हूँ, but आज तो करना ही है. Plus मौसम भी बैंगलोर का ऐसे ही हो रहा था, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रहा था, तो that's why I was not able to wash my clothes. So today I'll wash my clothes also.
One eternity later.
So guys, I ordered few items from Amazon like ring light and background के लिए curtains. So now we'll unbox that package. Guys, I'm not able to set up this ring light. I really need to check some YouTube video on this. कॉर्नर में लगा हाय गाइस, मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स अभी प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं बाहर जाने का. हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कॉर्नर हाउस जाने का एंड उसी के पास में बर्गर मैन है, तो वहाँ भी सोच रहे जाएंगे. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. सो राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गेट रेडी फॉर दैट ओनली. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट प्रेपिंग माई स्किन. आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग मॉइस्चराइजर. And now for the foundation, I am going to use the mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. Guys, it has vitamin C, turmeric and many other amazing ingredients, and also I'm using the shade 03 Nude Glow and it just perfectly fits my skin. Now this foundation literally feels like serum, and it is so lightweight and it is quite buildable, so you can easily play with the coverage. Now this foundation provides you 2x instant glow that stays up to 12 hours and it is easily blendable. It is dermatologically tested and made safe certified, and it has no toxins, chemicals and parabens. And guys, I'm personally enjoying this foundation as it instantly hydrates my skin, giving me a dewy and flawless base without any greasiness or cakiness. And also guys, it is suitable for all Indian skin tones. And now guys, after the foundation, I'll use mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact. Now it is India's first talc free and made safe certified compact and gives me a flawless matte base with 2x instant control and oil control that stays for up to 12 hours. It has perfectly buildable coverage that blends in my skin like a dream. And also guys, it comes with SPF 30 sun protection. Also guys, mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on a website to a tree that they plant. The exact geolocation, picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. And also guys, if you're interested in purchasing these, then you can check out the link in my description box below, and you can get these products from their official website mamaearth.in. and you can use my code Granule2022 for additional 20% off. Other than that, Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart. And also guys, Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and get extra discount. So now guys, I'm using little bit of blush.
Milk chocolate, Busi with ice cream.
This is not coming out, man. So guys, I'm done with my shoot and अब हम wardrobe ठीक करते हैं अपना. wardrobe का हालत बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा हो रहा है. So I really need to reorganize everything. So yeah guys, let's do that now. So yeah guys, this is it for today's vlog. So if you like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.